Welcome to the future of consulting services. Introducing OneSurvey, the ultimate solution for low-voltage, security camera system, door access, and IT consultants. Consultants, are you ready to raise the bar and step up your game? The future of consulting is here, and it's time to go big or go home. Introducing OneSurvey, your gateway to blowing the competition out of the water. In today's fast-paced world, simply being good at what you do is no longer enough. To truly excel, you need to embrace modern tools and innovative methods that set you apart from the rest. OneSurvey is here to help you raise the bar. Our application offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to elevate your consulting services to new heights. From site survey as a service to design as a service, OneSurvey is your all-in-one solution. With OneSurvey, you can enhance your data collection with mobile access, ensuring precision and efficiency on site. Streamline your design processes to simplify complex tasks and improve workflow. Manage projects efficiently with real-time updates and comprehensive reporting, giving you a competitive edge. Today, we visited a legal office needing advanced door access solutions. By committing fully with OneSurvey, we captured customer requirements with precision, provided a detailed plan, and delivered a superior service that left the competition behind. Ready to be part of the future? Elevate your consulting services with OneSurvey. Visit our website at onesurveyapp.com and start your journey towards enhanced service offerings, increased revenue, and greater client satisfaction. OneSurvey, empowering consultants to raise the bar and leave the competition behind.